Okay, hello everybody, this is Giuseppe Basili, also known as the Fib Stalker, and in this last video of today's weekend review, I'm going to review for you the 5 pound related pairs, and I'm going to add a Pacific play Canadian versus Japanese yen. You can find my website at fibstalkertrading.com and reach me out at fibstalker@gmail.com. As you know, in this market, we are looking for a retrace. This market has moved laterally, has stopped moving lower, and showing that everybody who actually jumps on the move that is already happening very often finds itself losing money. The second target was reached. The first target of very large time frame was reached, and this market has possibly started a correction higher into what? Into 128, an area that could be also supported, where shorts could be supported by dump money shorts on the weekly time frame. And when we look at the daily time frame here, we can see that this market really has not gone anywhere, and it appears that it's ready to be challenging this daily short area here. And of course, on this time frame, we had, as I mentioned before, we had also a measured move, an extension from lows to lows here, trading in 134 and pushing price into the first and second target. And one area that we definitely have to look at is the one that has been tested here. So we have here smart daily who are reacting. Smart money daily is reacting here to a level, and that level is this 122.68. This is an extension short. We found participation 2 weeks ago and again this week. The daily short dump money area here was not tested. Still possible for this market to keep moving higher and test the level before there's a reaction lower. Mind though that this market has also reached very high time frames targets here, and it might not be ready to continue lower. When we look at the daily though, we have to anticipate a continuation lower. So that's what the chart is telling us. What I'm trying to say is that that move lower might not come with a lot of strength, might or might not come with a lot of strength. So we have to be mindful of that. I still like to see a test of the larger time frame profit taking, a test of the larger short setup with participation from the weekly dump money. The pound versus Japanese yen has basically had kept moving lower here, and one thing that I noticed is that this market has actually pierced its next measure move here, and that could be an indication that if and when price gets into 124 here, we could have a very dramatic reaction higher here due to these conditions. And let's not forget also that this is previous lows, a very important area. If this price continues to move lower, what the daily is the daily really, there's not really a lot of price structure under there that can help us understanding a lot what's going on here. So the there was an extension here, price going into the second target, and again the next measured move, as you can see here, has not held. So this market could actually be preparing below the 13 EMA to start a reaction higher. So the reaction higher either may come now, may come later, but eventually it will come and will actually has actually the potential to generate a dramatic 1 or 2 bar reaction. The dump money area here short is still very aggressively short in this price potentially. So if the price gets back there, we may see still one more reaction lower. Pound versus Australian dollar. It's one of the most loved instruments by traders because of its daily move. And again, this price is very similar to the situation that we saw in the pound. If this price corrects higher, there is this area 170.46, which would be a good area to attempt a new short into 152. So we're talking about unbelievable 1800 moves here that we're seeing in this market this year, and there's a potential for moves into these levels. So on the daily time frame, same as before, we don't have a lot of structure here, still waiting for a reaction, and if that reaction does not take place, will not do drama here, just wait for the right conditions. Pound versus New Zealand dollar. New Zealand dollar, it's very strong. We saw this market anyway moving pretty much laterally on the daily. On the weekly, we know that there is this market is at that first target. This market has the potential to continue moving lower. There's nothing below, but this market is back at that first target, could actually react from there, and that would bring price again into a dump short money area. Pound versus Canadian dollar. The Canadian dollar has been very weak this week, and you could see it on the pound chart here, pound versus Canadian dollar. See this long bar here. Whether this will continue or not is something different, and as you can see, this market is now into a bear dump money, the daily money area here, and this could actually continue and restore the move lower, and we could see how this could be impacting this price. The fact that on the 4-hour we have 4-hour dump money now supporting this price, it might actually mean that the first attempts might fail. It doesn't mean that this market is going to continue higher, but okay, might not easily drop lower here, which is one of the behavior we would anticipate, but there will be some resistance from this level as well. So overall, we are looking for a correction in this market. There is still possibility for this market to continue lower here, but not before that 4-hour area is actually worked out by price. And finally, the Canadian versus Japanese, Canadian versus Japanese yen. Here is a Pacific play, and last week we saw price reacting from this bear dump money bear area here, and there was an opportunity for a setup here midweek. When we look at the 240 minutes, here, we could see that once price went below this area here, although reacted, then moved very quickly into the next area, and also now the daily. The daily here, it's basically worked out here. We saw a very aggressive move lower here. If this market reacts into the extension, it's going to bring price right into that dump money area. So 78.30, it's a level, it's an area to watch in this market, and this could be something that this could be an opportunity to short this market if this market comes back into the level because of participation from smart money and dump money. And this is it for this weekend review to my subscribers. I'm going to send a review on Wednesday. It's a midweek review that allows us to adjust our position and actually take advantage of the other situation they're going to develop. So we don't have to trade frequently in order to find a good opportunity, and of course always risk management is trader's job number one, and you want to use all the techniques you have for risk management, risk-free trading, as well as making sure that you manage risk also as part of your trading process, so that trading process becomes a process of elimination where you remove all the opportunities or setups that may seem good but in reality have a lower probability of working. So thank you very much. Happy trading week, and you can reach me at Fibstalker trading.com and also fibstalker@gmail.com. Thank you very much and have a great one. Bye bye now.